Hey everyone, it's Justin Trevor Winters and welcome back to 60-Second Script School. So, did you figure out your genre and start thinking about your brand? I hope the answer is a resounding yes, because your career depends on it. Literary agents usually represent between 20 and 40 writers. That's a lot of work, a lot of reading, and a lot of meetings. Therefore, there's usually an unspoken line drawn. And that line is where only a handful of writers are actually being serviced by that agent. Of those writers, usually each fulfills a specific role or genre or brand. An agent may have one or two writers in each genre with a specific role within that genre, a subgenre within the genre, if you will. Let's say an agent represents two comedy writers. One might be screwball, like the Farrelly Brothers, and the other might be intellectual or dry, like Wes Anderson. Both are very different. Remember, your agent will have to be able to sell you and your scripts. That's so you can make a living and work as a professional screenwriter. So figure out your brand. Okay, today we're going to be talking about the importance of the title. 60 seconds on the clock, hit it. A friend of mine, Jamie Reidy, was the #1 sales rep for Pfizer in the 90s. After several years of hawking his specialty, which was Viagra, aka boner pills, he wrote a self-deprecating memoir about his experience. Now, I love Jamie, but the book, being his first, was definitely not his best work. But the title was incredible. Hard Sell. Come on, that's brilliant. Based off of the general concept and the strength of the title, Jamie was able to sell it for high six figures. And they ultimately made a movie out of it with Jake Gyllenhaal and Anne Hathaway. The irony, the marketing team behind the movie ended up changing the title at the last minute. What did they change it to? Love and Other Drugs. I'll let you decide which title is better. Your title is extremely important and it should tell us a lot about your TV show. Check out the list below for inspiration. Good luck and happy title hunting.